Hi! In front of me is iPhone SE 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access App Store. Now click on the search bar over here and type in Gboard. Then you need to install this free app, this one, by Google Developer and open it. Now you can choose Get Started, tap on Get Started over here and go into your device's settings. Now scroll down, choose General, click on Keyboard over here, tap on Keyboards and finally choose Add a new keyboard. Then select Gboard over here, click on it and tap on the switcher next to Allow Full Access. Then choose Allow and go back to Main Screen. Over here you can click on Gboard. And now you need to click on this little icon next to the mic one and select Gboard, Keyboard. Finally choose Understood and now you can choose Themes. After that, select one of those by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with that one. And now, when I go back and try to access my device's keyboard, as you can see, theme of it has changed. But you can always go into Gboard app as well, but this time tap on this plus icon under Customized. Then pick one of your photos, like that one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you need to select Choose at the bottom right corner, and now you can adjust background darkness, enable or disable key borders, and even change text color. I will go with simple white one though. When you're ready, choose Done at the top right corner, and now when I go back and try to access my keyboard one more time, as you can see, theme of it was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!